Welcome back. It's time now for the business day. Listed company Elite Diagnostics is distancing itself from one of the principals of Alliance Finance Services who served on its board of directors. In a notice to the Jamaica Stock Exchange last week, Elite said Alliance's president, Peter Chin, has not been reappointed as a director of the company effective December 14. Mr. Chin was also replaced on various subcommittees in the company. This includes Elite's Audit Committee and Corporate Governance and Compensation Committee. Mr. Chin and his brother, Robert Chin, have been charged with breaches of the Bank of Jamaica Act and the Proceeds of Crime Act. The two men are to return to court on January 10. 17 million transactions were conducted via automated banking machines by the end of September. According to the third quarter data published in the Bank of Jamaica's Payment Systems Bulletin, those transactions over the 3 months were valued at $476 million. That's compared to the 16 million transactions valued at $378 million for the same period last year. This is the highest value of transactions in a quarter since 2019. Epley Caribbean Property Fund engaged in a share buyback on December 17 and 20. 1,500 shares were purchased under the company's Value Fund share buyback program. Epley says the purchase was to unlock shareholders' value by purchasing at a price that is at a significant discount to its book value per share. This is in keeping with the strategy outlined in the company's prospectus. The source of funding was cash from its balance sheet. And that's where we put a wrap on the business day. International news when we return.